Happy to Bishvat. We're happy and excited to make to Bishvat Seder with you. Thank you to the parents that came and all the people that made this possible in Dallas and Israel. Partnership with Israel means a lot to us, and the connection with the Jewish people in the world is very important for us to keep the Jewish nation and the Jewish Torah together. We wish everybody peace and safety for Israel and all around the world. To Bishvat.
We are very, very blessed in this connection with you this night, this evening, and all over the year. Okay, let's start.
Such a beautiful and touching ceremony. It felt as if you all were sitting here with us, and hopefully we'll do it one day. Rabbi Sabo, Rabbi Sabo, thank you very much for this opportunity. And Rabbi Silver, thank you for honoring us with your presence. And happy Bishvat.